This is Monica. As a startup owner, she has ideas all the time, and she wants to share them with others right away. So she used Invisible Tripod. It's a new category of MOFT. Unfold, rotate, set. Too fast? Let's do it again. Unfold, rotate, set. Just one step, Monica can share her ideas with others anytime, anywhere. And she can conceal it on the back of her phone within 1 second. With Invisible Tripod, she can get to work wherever she goes or film her workouts whenever she wants. Invisible Tripod is small, light, thin, durable with an excellent touch, and super flexible. Also, the patented triangle structure ensures its stability, supports Monica for capturing her ideas, or even multitask works. It also allows her phone to lean forward, filming herself with the best angle. Whenever Monica got an idea, Invisible Tripod helps her to capture it right away. It would never block the power plug-in, and she can easily rotate her phone to showcasing product details. No matter where she is, Monica can always set up her phone and get ready in seconds, capturing videos, watching videos, or making content. It's super handy for self-blogging, and it hides Monica's hand. Fits her pocket perfectly, almost invisible. Whenever she needs some supports, Invisible Tripod is there. Be ready. Be a slashy. Small, yet powerful. By the way, it does save Monica's little fingers.